This is Fabia, 27-year-old female. No burping after baking soda test. No warm feeling after taking 6H2 blocker pills. However, Fabia had headache, fatigue, runny nose after taking apple cider vinegar and lemon. Also, after taking supplement, pills, whey protein, and celery juice. These cause her headache, fatigue and dull vision. She cannot tolerate fatty foods, even healthy ones. A 1 tablespoon of olive oil and eggs causes her headache. She went to Gastroenterologist and found out that she has gastroesophageal reflux, GERD, and gastritis. The doctor gave her PPI, or proton-pump inhibitor pill, to reduce stomach acid for 5 days. But this causes her headache. So, the doctor did the ultrasound, and everything is fine. The doctor advised her to take antibiotics for 1-month experiment. This made her anxious. So she tried functional medicine. She chewed ginger twice a day, and she feels a little headache, but better than lemon. She also feels warmer after eating ginger but not cold. She eats black rice, chicken, broccoli, banana, and apple, but no oil and salt. 3 times a day. She adds some seasoning, like black pepper and paprika. Fabia is confused whether she has low or high stomach acid. A simple test to know if you have high or low stomach acid is when you have abdominal pain. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. If it makes the pain worse, it means you have a very high stomach acid. If it makes the pain leave, it means you have a low stomach acid. From the case of Fabia, it causes her to have headache, fatigue, and dull vision after taking apple cider vinegar and lemon. This gives us a hint that she has a high stomach acid, not low, because of her discomfort after taking acidic foods like apple cider vinegar and lemon. Based from diagnosis of doctor, she has gastroesophageal reflux, GERD, and gastritis. Reflux disease is often caused by too much acid in the stomach because of wrong food, or less stomach acid because of weak esophageal sphincter. With Fabia's situation, too much acid inflamed the lining of her stomach. So, what causes the reflux? Based from Fabia case, eating meat, dairy, and taking multiple pills. These trigger the stomach to increase the production of stomach acid because they are very hard to digest. Condiments and spices, like paprika and pepper, are irritants to the stomach lining, thus, they aggravate gastritis. The best remedy for Fabia condition is to stop. Stop putting everything on stomach, like pills, a lot of supplements, and multiple foods. The stomach needs rest, and it doesn't need multiple solutions taken at the same time to be healed. Take 1 step at a time. A practical solution to the problem is to reduce stomach acid by drinking a lot of water. It helps dilute stomach acid. Try to sip water, then gulping. Lower the acidic pH by eating alkaline food, like fresh green leafy vegetables. They not only balance the pH, but also heal the inflammation on the stomach. Dilute stomach acid by eating non-meat protein from nuts like almond. This will help excess stomach acid to act on protein digestion instead of on the stomach lining. Fabia diet like eating black rice, chicken, broccoli, banana and apple, no oil and salt is great. However, it would be great to remove chicken meat for a few days. Banana is rich in potassium that is a great help for fatigue. Ginger is a natural antacid, specifically the ginger root or the fresh ginger plant. A bland diet is not applicable anymore for gastritis. Recent studies show that bland diet is acidic and can aggravate inflammation on the stomach. To learn more, get the full course. This course will give you a complete understanding on how our body functions in order to cure your illness today in a simple and holistic manner.